Hello guys, this is Download to Watch Nepali, and in this video I'm going to show you possible ways to make online, and if you read title $100 per day. Yeah guys, it's true, it's really. So okay guys, okay, you can see here guys, 23 total views and $0 0.0262 one earnings. Referral earnings is 0, and average CPM guys, you just see this average CPM. Okay, you can see that there is too much earning. Okay, you can see that there is too much of earning. And guys, I have earned this today only. Okay, I'll show you guys how I earned. And the most good thing about this website is, okay, the website name is gplink.info. The best thing about this website is it gives $0.25 $0.25 free for sign up guys. As you can see guys, there was earning like that much only, and you can see here $0.02 and the pending balance you can see. And guys, you can see the earning. Okay, you can see. And I can show you how you can earn very much money. Okay, very good amount of money. What you will do is I'll just give you links to join a WhatsApp group. Okay, by joining that WhatsApp, first of all what you need to do is you need to just join this website. Okay, I will giving the joining link in the description. You just go that joining link and just join this website. Okay, this website is very good. I'll give you two links there too. Okay, one for joining and one for my website as well. You can go website for more inquiries. Okay, and third one is for WhatsApp link. Okay, you can I'll show you my strategies again. Okay, I'll show you how you can earn here money. You can see guys, 23 total views and equals to okay, it gives 1000 page views, earning something like, okay, 2.70 if you are earning from India or Nepal, like small countries. Okay, but if you are getting traffic from US, then 1000 views equals to something like $5-6 easily. So that's easy guys, that's really easy. I'll show you. Okay, I'll give you two links to join. Okay, one is for WhatsApp and WhatsApp group, and second is for joining this link. Okay, first of all go and just grab this link to join it, and you'll get here many more. Okay guys, here different giveaways is always going on. Okay, this is new website, but also it's very good, and you get here different options of okay, earning, takeouting earning as well. Okay, for you withdrawing. So you can see, I'll show you guys. Okay, you get here different options of withdrawing. You can see. Okay, you get here my wallet $5, PayPal you need $3. Okay, I'll show you my wallet $5, as you can see here, PayPal $3, Skrill $5, bank transfer $1, Paytm $1, Paytm okay, Paytm Payments Bank $1. Okay, you can see here Phone PE, okay, UPI, mobile topic, Google topics. Okay, basically all UL shortness you will see there are only 2-3 ways to withdraw your money, but in this website you are getting different options. So you are getting here different withdrawing methods. Okay, as you can see, phone UPI, mobile top up, PayPal, Paytm. It doesn't support that much. Okay, but this is new and I suggest you to join this. Okay, so hope you join this. For today only this much. If you need to ask me, if you want to ask me some other questions about this, and in tomorrow's or day after tomorrow's video, I'll show you the withdraw proof of this video as well. Okay, first of all just join this website. I need to tell you, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, bye for today only this much. Thanks for watching guys, bye.